Joe take off.
God damn me.
Yeah.
Mama always say these niggas gon' hate. So when you come to the game, you gotta play like EA. I'm talking sports outlet. I'm in my zone, okay? I got plaques on the wall, was running like I'm OJ. If you talking about some beef, do you know I stay? First 48, you gon' learn today. Body on the pavement is gon' burn today.
Yeah. I'm a match, gone and strike me. Watch how your ass burn. First leg boy, blood real frown. And they crips too, don't give a damn how you want it. Red or blue, we coming. Boss businessman, Undertaker when you fuck with my fam. Knock you on your door. Nigga really ain't no talking, hit you in your throat. Drag you in your house, nigga, pull that thing out. Two in your mouth and like that. And I'm out around the corner, switch cars. Go and change clothes, take a shower at my condo, real fofo. Know what I'm talking about, know how to get it. Stay with real niggas, loyal team. Best believe we to be the one that
and I'm a slave fool, nigga. I'm a slave fool, nigga. I act like I ain't gonna get no goddamn bigger, but I trick motherfucking niggas. That's what I do. Act like I ain't got nothing to do. I ain't got nothing to do, nigga. I ain't even played too much. I ain't play too hard. I even goddamn made some of the shit I disregard. Really? But everybody said it and everybody did it. But I'll be goddamn me, man. If I don't wipe my ass out, I shit it.
Bet that.
He's a real nigga, y'all. A real nigga.
Yeah.
Trying to get the real figures.
Yeah.
Trying to get them real figures.
Money, yeah, that's all I need. Them big stacks, big racks, yeah, that's all I see. And I'm smoking on the loud to keep my mind at ease in case these pussy ass niggas try to ride on me. Well, on my side is L4E, nigga, you die, you fuck with me. Baby. I come down one, or I can come down with you.
I know everything.
Hey. Hey. Say it like this.
My boy finna come in with
up, put my two Benzes up, nigga. Don't give a fuck. Got some soldiers, OG status. What's up? Let's get it poppin', well connected. More plus than eBay. Leave these pussy niggas on the freeway. See me in the hood and I'm looking fucking broke with that credit card in my pocket. Best believe it's more than in your wallet. Niggas talk shit, make my niggas come through and take every bitch in your clique like that. We putting it from the south, we at the down top, any nigga come up, they getting chopped. You already know, chain around your damn neck, tied to a tree, next your legs hit the cement. I ain't talking about you, but I'm talking about your fam. Y'all niggas don't give a damn, we'll shoot the whole hood up. You already know that it's about big business. Boy, best believe that we don't be with witness.
Bang, FOE. Nigga, you can't see me. You act like you did, but you didn't, don't. Act like you won't. Pump, sitting up there, nigga, looking like you dead, nigga. Your ass ain't never took off your head, nigga. I'm a brain, nigga. I'm a thing, nigga.
Boy,
break it, nigga, like a cane, nigga.
Yeah, urban swag, blockhead, you know. Southside.
On his side.
Yeah, Ace Time.
And they say, bye.